Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Korea. First, you will need to create a PayPal account if you do not already have one. Once your account is set up, link a valid Korean bank account or a major credit card to it. This is a crucial step for both sending and receiving funds. Do not forget to verify your identity. This process helps remove any transaction limits and ensures smoother operations for your financial activities in Korea. Sending money to friends or family in Korea is straightforward. Simply log into your PayPal account and select the Send and Request option. You will then enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Be sure to specify the exact amount you wish to send and choose the correct currency. Always review all the transaction details carefully before confirming the payment to ensure accuracy and avoid any potential issues. Receiving money in Korea through PayPal is also quite simple. Ensure your PayPal account is properly linked to your local Korean bank account. Once funds are sent to you, they will appear in your PayPal balance. To access these funds, you will need to withdraw them to your linked Korean bank account. Please be aware that there might be small withdrawal fees, and the processing time can take several business days for the money to reflect in your bank. When using PayPal in Korea, keep a few key considerations in mind. Always be aware of PayPal's exchange rates and any associated transaction fees, especially for international transfers. Not all Korean merchants may accept PayPal directly, so have alternative payment methods ready. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication on your account. Finally, double-check all recipient details before confirming any payment to prevent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.